Okay, thanks.
What's out?
What animal is that, Colin? What's he doing?
Licking!
Licking what?
That's Curly Joe! Stop
What's the idea? Stop tickling my foot. I didn't touch your foot. You did too. Come on up here and sleep with us. Hey, wake up and go to sleep.
Yeah, wake up, sleep.
Yeah, come on.
Now they're going to go back to sleep.